Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink in Excel. Open an Excel sheet then. Let's say I want to hyperlink this table. First of all, I have to select the table and click on the right button. Here you can see there is an option of hyperlink. Click on it and you can link with any of the folders with your table. I will choose place in this document. I will link this with sheet 8. I can define names here, use any of them, but I won't do that. I will just keep it on sheet 8. Click on OK. As you can see, there is this texts have made blue colors, and if you click on any of them, it shows a link of sheet 8. If you go to sheet 8, you can have the link here. It's hyperlinked with the you can if you click on the right button and click on paste, you can see the entire table is now here on the sheet 8. So this is how you can hyperlink your text. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.